Hello friends, a very good day to all of you. Today we are going to try out something new. Actually, I had bought a box of pears sometime back, more than a week, almost 10 days, but they don't seem to ripen. They are so sour, not edible as a fruit. So I don't like throwing away anything. What should we make out of it? Either they have to be consumed as a salad, but in monsoon I don't really relish salads. So what I thought was maybe we could try to make a sweet pickle like we make mithi chutney, mithi khatta with umbris, or I've tried with cherry tomatoes also earlier. So the same way I'm going to try making mithi khatta and mithi chutney or sweet chutney with these pears. So let's give it a try. It might be a hit or it might not come out good. So let's give it a try. No harm in trying. What do you say? Sweet pickle with unripe pears. You can enjoy it with parathas, koki, pooris. For this I've taken whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon, onion seeds or kalonji, Cummel seeds, black cardamoms, black peppercorns, red chillies, chili flakes and green cardamoms. You can find the ingredients list in the description box also. Little bit of salt. Then I have half cup of organic brown sugar. You may take white sugar as well. Some vinegar, apple cider vinegar and little bit of oil. Now first wash the pears very well, wipe them dry and peel out the outer skin. These are unripe pears. Even the fruits, if they are sour, unripe, not edible, you can make something out of them like this chutney or jam. You could also make jam with these. Yes. Now cut them into long slices like this after peeling. Now let's prepare the sweet chutney. I'm using a pressure cooker. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. You can slow cook them in a pan too, but it takes longer. Add the whole spices. Reduce the flame. Now toss them so that all the flavors are infused into the oil and they become lightly roasted. Continue stirring until you get a nice aroma. Maintain low flame. Now add about 3/4 cup of water. Bring it to a boil. Add the sugar first. I'm using organic brown sugar. You could use normal white sugar also or even jaggery. Add little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. This will balance the flavors. Give them a nice mix and cook until it starts to boil. At this stage, you can add the pears. Give them a mix. Close the pressure cooker lid. Cook it for 2 whistles. Switch off the gas and open the pressure cooker only when the pressure is released by itself. This way we'll ensure that they are not overcooked If needed, we can just boil them a bit now. We'll check for the doneness. The syrup also needs to be thickened, so boil it for a little while. Check if the pears are soft. Accordingly, you continue to cook until you get the perfect consistency of the syrup. Towards the end, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. Remember, this pickle also thickens on keeping. So accordingly, you may keep the consistency of the sugar syrup. Now it's done. We'll switch off the gas and let it cool. You can dish it out. If you wish, it will be cooler fast. Pressure cooker, it will take some time because the cooker is hot. You can discard the whole spices now. So perfect, it looks nice. I'm glad it turned out good. Looks very good. Color is also perfect. Let's do the tasting. It's really come out very, very good. Tastes so good. So friends, this is a hit. The pears didn't go waste, and now you know what to do when you have unripe pears. You can make this pickle and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. And stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.